Hey everybody, welcome back to Trivia with Jeff. Today we have a text message abbreviation quiz. I'm going to give you some things that people text to each other. You have to tell me what they mean. First up, 2G, 2BT. If you get that in the text message, what does that mean? Too good to be true. Our next one, BLNT. BLNT, what does that mean? Better luck next time. Our third one, ROFL, ROFL, ROFL. It stands for rolling on the floor laughing. IYKYK. Do you know this one? Because if you know, you know. And these two know something we don't know. WYSIWYG, WYSIWYG. You've heard it, WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. WYSIWYG. MYOB, MYOB. MYOB, MYOB. You better mind your own business. PEBCAK, PEBCAK. You might get this one from tech support. Problem exists between chair and keyboard. PEBCAK. Slap. Is it 5 fingers to the face? Or does it sound like a plan? Sounds like a plan. TWSS. Twists. That's what she said. WYGAM, WYGAM. If you can help me out when you get a minute. And I thought we'd try a fun one here. We have one bonus one. If you get this one right, give yourself 10 additional points. ILYSMBIDKHTTYBIKYDLMB. Do you know this one? For 10 bonus points. This goes out to all my fans. I love you so much, but I don't know how to tell you because I know you don't love me back. But if you do love me, leave it in the comments. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. This has been another Trivia with Jeff. New episodes all the time. Let us know how we're doing in the comments. How many did you get right on this quiz? We'd love to know how you're doing and how you're liking the channel so far. And we'll see you on the next quiz.